Where's Mommy? You see him?
Are you excited to see him? Hi, Auntie Ram.
Hey Ram, can you lift her up on the chair?
Molly, you want to come see him?
Yeah, he has his own pass, doesn't he?
You're right.
That's Patrick's pass.
Yeah, Patrick's passes and Molly's passes.
Molly, what's your sticker say?
Do you know what it says? What does it say?
Does it say you're a big sister?
Big sister.
And this is right to the mommy. Mommy, baby, so.
The mommy's baby? You're
Yeah.
my big girl. You're my big girl. And Patrick's my baby, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
Are you excited to meet your little brother?
yes,
Is he cute?
yeah.
Yeah. And he's not crying, right?
He's tiny, isn't he, Molly?
It's going to be your new toy. Yeah.
New baby.
Are you going to take care of him?
Is he going to sleep in the crib with you in your room? You going to sing songs to him?
Yes,
You going to read books to him?
Yeah.
not scared.
You're not scared?
You're not scared? That's good.
Baby, not scared. Nanny.
Yeah, no, he won't be scared anymore.
No.
You're going to take care of him, right?
Yes. Mommy will do. Mommy is so little.
Mommy is so little?
Did
Yes.
mommy's stomach go back to being little?
Yes.
Well, she forgot it doesn't quite go too fast, but
Look, you're big.
yeah.
Big.
Hey Molly, can you say I love you to everybody?
I will.
Were you good?